In today's video, we are going to discuss about Neuralink test and how they are applying it on animals and when will it be applied in humans. But before going forward, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Elon Musk's ambitious project of connecting the human brain to the internet to help control machines is almost at the stage of being released for commercial use. Neuralink is the subject of a federal investigation into an animal testing programs. Reuters reported, to create brain chips that would allow paralyzed people to walk and blind people to see. Neuralink works on the principle that the brain uses electrical signals to function. The brain functions by generating electrical signals in a network of approximately 80 to 100 billion neurons. These signals travel through the body in specific patterns, telling individual muscles to move and respond to stimuli. What does Neuralink do? As mentioned above, Neuralink can be used to operate encephalopathy. It can also be used as a connection between the human brain and technology. This means that people with paralysis can easily operate their phones and computer directly with their brain. Its main purpose is to help people to communicate through text or voice messages. Of course, Neuralink is not limited to that. It can also be utilized to draw pictures, take photographs, and do other activities. Now moving towards to discuss what is Neuralink developing. Founded in 2016 by Elon Musk and some engineers, according to documents obtained by Reuters, Elon Musk's Neuralink is under federal investigation for possible animal welfare violations, and internal employees have warned that his animal testing has been rushed and unsolicited, allegedly causing necessary suffering and death. His Neuralink is building a brain chip interface that can be implanted in the skull, ultimately helping disabled people move, communicate, and improve their vision may recover. Neuralink devices contain chips that process and transmit neural signals that can be sent to devices such as computers and phones. The company hopes that people will be able to use their brains to control the mouse, keyboard, or other computer functions such as texting. In April 2021, Musk said, Neuralink also believes its device will eventually restore neural activity in the body, allowing people with spinal cord injuries to move their limbs. Based in San Francisco and Austin, the company also works to treat neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Now let's discuss, what progress has Neuralink made? Neuralink has produced several examples of successfully testing aspects of its technology on animals, including a video released in 2021 showing brain-chipped macaque monkeys playing a simple video game. During a presentation webcast last week, the company showcased improvements to the chip's speed and capabilities. The company has killed about 1,500 animals, including more than 280 sheep, pigs, and monkeys, since 2018 after testing, according to records verified by Reuters and sources with direct knowledge of the company's animal testing activities. Sources say the figure is a rough estimate, and the company doesn't record the exact number of animals it tests and kills. Neuralink has also done research with rats and mice. Musk and his other Neuralink executives did not respond to requests for comment. The total number of animal deaths does not necessarily indicate that Neuralink is violating regulations or standard research practices. There is none. Many companies routinely use animals in experiments to improve human health care and are under financial pressure to bring products to market quickly. Animals are usually killed once the experiment is completed and made available for post-mortem research purposes. But current and former Neuralink employees say the unnecessarily high animal death toll is for reasons related to Musk's call to accelerate research. Through years of company discussions and documents, as well as employee interviews, Reuters identified 4 experiments involving 86 pigs and 2 monkeys that were compromised by human error in recent years. Top of form. What are Neuralink's next obstacles? Neuralink has yet to receive U.S. regulatory approval to move into human clinical trials, unlike competitor Synchron, which has no ambitious goals for medical advancement. Neuralink filed an application with the Food and Drug Administration to begin earlier this year, missing Musk's publicly announced deadline to begin human trials. Musk said last week that Neuralink believes he can begin human clinical trials within 6 months. Let's discuss some problems related to Neuralink. The problems with Neuralink's testing have raised questions internally about the quality of the resulting data, 3 current or former employees said. Such problems could potentially delay the company's bid to start human trials. They also add to a growing list of headaches for Musk, who is facing criticism of his management of Twitter, which he recently acquired for $44 billion. Musk also continues to run electric car maker Tesla and rocket company SpaceX. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.